Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. So I opened up my Temu app and I saw that they're having an early Black Friday sale. Okay, and they promised that it's going to be up to 70% off. And I thought to myself, why don't I share this? Because some of us might not know about it. So all you need to do is just open your app. If you don't have the Temu app, you can download the app with the link in my description or in my comment section. Open up the app, and where you have this up to 70% off, just click on it. Where you have the early Black Friday sale, click on it on shop now, and it opens up to this page. Okay, so for this section it's up to 70% off, and when you go down you see up to 40% off. Next section is explore your interests. Now here you're going to be seeing the tags, the pre Black Friday deals. Okay, just click on it, like anything you want here. You got the different categories. We have the men clothing, home and kitchen, automotive, cell phones and accessories. All everything you need is here. Okay, everything you need is here. Just take your time and look for whatever it is you want. As long as it's carrying the Black Friday sale, then you know that truly that is a pre-Black Friday deal. Okay, because it says pre-Black Friday deal. All right, so let's assume we want to get a phone. When you open it, everything here, when you click on it, everything here is on the pre-Black Friday sale deal. So take advantage of this. I don't know how long this is going to last. So once you see this, just take advantage, go to the Temu app and order anything you know you want now. Okay, yeah. So far all the prices I'm seeing here, there is indeed a discount, and who wouldn't want a discount? Just take advantage and get everything you want now. You can wait for the main Black Friday deal, but this is what we have now and you should take advantage of it. So I hope you've gotten value from this video. If you have, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.